Do you want to earn $1,000 per day? Do you want a side hustle that could replace your day job? A great recession is predicted to come, so it's time to prepare money and get ready for the worst. A side hustle could help. Are you worried that you cannot find a side hustle because you don't have a degree? Don't worry. There are side hustles that do not require one, and that would be our topic for today. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security all in all. Let's talk about money. It is too difficult to work, yet it is vital to earning money. Thankfully, there are several low-effort ways to make money. Using applications, easy investing tools, and smart purchasing strategies, you can make extra money without putting any effort into it. Even while some of these strategies require some initial work, they can eventually put you in a position to make passive income. There are many people being laid off without any emergency money to fall back on as a recession threatens in the coming months. Create a passive income today to set yourself up for the future. You can attain your financial objectives more quickly and be more prepared for a crisis by side hustling. Let's take a look at these 7 side hustles that you could do without a degree and could let you earn $1,000 per day. Number 1. Amazon Copywriter. This side hustle allows you to earn up to $200 per hour from the comfort of your home without a college degree. If you consider yourself a good writer or are willing to study how to become a good writer, this is for you. There is no denying the fact that Amazon is currently the most well-liked online shopping option. There are a lot of product descriptions that need to be created because there are so many things that sell on Amazon. A product's description should make the reader feel as though they need it to address a problem, which is the aim of an Amazon copywriter. All you have to do is to research the product, write the best description that you think is the best, and then boom, you now have a side hustle that pays bigger than your job. Number 2. Affiliate Marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the most well-liked ways to generate money online since it can be done by anyone who can develop a respectable audience. Through affiliate marketing, you discuss a specific product with your audience and then encourage them to buy it by clicking in a particular website link. You will receive a modest commission for each sale made using your affiliate link. The sort of product will significantly impact how much you make from each lead. The affiliate rate will typically be higher for digital than physical products, such as ebooks. Additionally, the more authority you have to negotiate higher prices, your audience will be more significant. If you have a large audience, reaching thousands of dollars in income in a month is easier. You don't need to be a celebrity to do this. You can see on TikTok that even ordinary people can create content and have large audiences due to their algorithm. You can do it too. Number 3. Real Estate Finder. A real estate bird dog is a person that browses areas for potential investment homes, whether through online searches, driving, or strolling. You can do this without a real estate license. You don't even need a degree for this. And you can with absolutely little money. In essence, you're basically searching for properties that require a lot of work and can offer fantastic fix and flip prospects. Then you show these deals to real estate investors, with either pay a set fee or a percentage of the sale. The typical range that investors are ready to spend each deal is $500 to $1,000. If you can find even one house a day, that is already a good start. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, If you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Number 4. Blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustles you can do from home or anywhere else, while having your own asset enables you to develop a personal brand. Even your interests can be written about. By starting a blog in a language you're familiar with, you can connect with readers with the same interests. Popular niches for establishing a part-time blog include yoga, business, beauty, and cars. There are other ways to monetize your blog, such as by including affiliate links or links to your online store where you sell dropship goods. How much cash can you expect to make from this kind of side business? You won't make much at first. However, some bloggers who continue past the initial years have earned enough money to give up their day job and devote their time to blogging full-time. Let's take a look at Mr. Beast, for example. He makes a minimum of $3 million per month on his channel, which is just for YouTube ads alone. Number 5. Answer questions. A question and answer website called Just Answer connects millions of users with subject matter experts. Among them are legal, medical, technical, home repairs, pet care, and other categories. When someone needs an answer to a question, they'll pay a charge to ask it on this website. The fee can be between $5 and $100 or more for each question. This is how you generate money from this website, by being an expert. I'm aware that some of you are wondering why someone would use our website and pay money to ask questions when they could just use Google or YouTube to seek the answer for free. This is an excellent question, and the response is really relatively simple. It's because many individuals would rather hear actual answers to their questions from professionals than from random strangers on the internet. And then Google provides you with links and other results without a straight-to-the-point answer. Other people don't have time to research, so you have to do it for them. Number 6. Instagram influencer. Most people have celebrity dreams when they are young. But in actuality, not everyone has vocal or acting talent. Don't worry though. You don't need to be a celebrity or to have the outstanding talent to become an Instagram influencer. All you need is to think about unique content that the audiences will love. Or you can create a personal brand that centers around your abilities. Perhaps you have a body or can make amazing cakes. Anyone may establish a side business by building their influence on Instagram. It's okay if you don't like being in the spotlight. Your cat or your dog can grow an Instagram following. Instagram takeovers, sponsored posts, and product sales on your website are all methods to monetize your account. The typical influencer makes between $200 and $400 for each post. Now that's a good number. All you need to do is to build a strong audience. Number 7. Drop shipping business. Drop shipping is among the best ideas for a side business. You don't need to have a business degree to be able to start this. Dropshipping enables you to sell a product directly to the buyer without purchasing any inventory. To keep your risk minimal, you don't need to have a large budget set aside for initial fees. Additionally, the manufacturer will ship your order for you directly to the consumer to carry the inventory. Customer service and marketing should be your critical priorities because they are the backbone of your company. This is the side business for you if you have experience in marketing and want to capitalize on your expertise. It's one of the few supplemental jobs that lets you satisfy a genuine entrepreneurial desire. You get the chance to run your own company. How much cash is a drop shipper able to make? That depends on how much time and energy you invest in your company and marketing. You could earn an additional few $1,000s or more. You can use your side business to get some extra income each month. But it can also assist you in learning new talents, expanding your portfolio or personal brand, and gaining greater independence. So, do what you love and generate an income out of it. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think these side hustles are effective and could help you in the long run? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.